Hello my technical friends, we are in TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 2.3.7 and we're going to use the nano editor. So in this lab, you will explore the nano editor by configuring DNS name resolution on the IT laptop computer. So in this lab, the task is to use nano to open the /etc /resolve.com file, then modify the file by replacing the existing name server information with the following information: name server 163.128.78.93, name server 163.128.80.93. Save the changes made to the file. Alright, so I guess that is it. We'll just go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we just wait for this to load. Alright, so in case you need further details on how to solve any compTIA TestOut lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you get insider specs and a detailed one-on-one video guidance on how to solve any compTIA TestOut lab. Alright, so this is loaded and we'll start up right away. Okay, so let's see what we'll do. Let's see. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to open terminal. And I'm drag this to the middle so that I see what I'm doing clearly. Type in nano /space. Type in nano space /etc /resolve.conf file. So we press enter after that, and this is what we get. Let's see, generated by network manager, name server 192.168.0.11, then server 192.168.10.11. Okay. So I guess this is where we start the modification from. So we just edit this to match what was given in the tags. So this is going to be 163 instead of 192. So it's going to be 163.128. Oh, I omitted one there. I'll go back and fix it later. That's 93. Okay. Don't worry, I see there's an error there. I'll go back and fix it later. It's supposed to be 163 instead of 63. So let's just finish this before we move to the next one. Let's delete one of the 6. So it's now 163. Alright, so for the other part, we have 163, 128.80, .93. .93. Okay, so go back and delete the 1 at the back of 3. So let's go ahead and scroll lab and see. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.